Hello YouTube, back at it again. Look at this nice setup. Parked here, gonna do some work. And I need to do some work also. I hope this week we're gonna do some welding in the front. I can take you with me there. Probably this side. We're gonna do the other side first. Do I need to take off the cladding or not? I was thinking about that. I would think I'm gonna address this. It's already a little loose. I wanted to get it out first. Un momento, por favor. Take a movie so I can see it myself. The light has to be on. That must be better. Those are new, could be cleaned. The welding on top would not be een plaatje eroverheen or something like that. Un momento. Yeah, this is the rust, guys. Here goes back there. Hello YouTube, back at it again. Gorgeous day. I was fiddling around with some rust repairs, and a few days ago I made a movie. I put this also in this movie, but now I was busy also in the boot. Oh, not ready to do some rust repair, so I couldn't get this out because it was rotted there. So I hammered it out with my screwdriver, and now I'm gonna cut it off, clean it, and wire brush it there, and see how that works out. Oh, this is this. Okay, and this is the other side, guys. Need a welder for this. Woohoo! Yeah. Welding. Rust repairs. Un momento, por favor. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna brutally cut the wires. And I'm gonna strip them off. We get a new one in, wire it down. Dit, oh my god, moet wel weten, heb ik ook gedaan. Oelala. We moeten aan die. No, which one stays together? Oh no, I don't know. Get it here. Un momento, por favor. Thank you. Back at it again. Got my some new pipjes to replace the old one. I got my wire stripper and my waterpomptang. I don't know how you guys call it, but clean it a little bit. Probably even two. Un momento, por favor. Well guys, got the new things on. Let's double up. Pressed a little bit too hard. Tape it maybe. A little bit tape. I'm gonna wire brush this. Un momento, por favor. Well guys, here we got it. A wire brush. Put it a little bit out of the way. Move, bitch. Get out of there. Die had ik nog even kunnen losdoen. You don't want to cut the wires, huh? This is not the best idea. Un momento, por favor. Well guys, why I brushed it as good as I could. Now I'm gonna clean it with some compressed air. So, un momento, por favor. Okay guys, compressor engaged. Whee! You gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta get it up to pressure. Got my coffee running. Beautiful day. Do some work, guys. Whoa! Little walk around. The beast needs some attention. So, the momentum. What? Press the air. Always nice to play with air. Little bit under the bench, guys. Sometimes it's smelling some gasoline, but doesn't seem it. See, this one is loose and it's only hanging on by two. Oh, also that. Luckily too. It's dry. Hope it's dry. Wel een beetje rusty. Little bit rusty. But protected. Okay, un momento por favor. Okay, this is also what I need to address. It doesn't look so bad, Lane. The protective cap of the fuel pump is closed with tie rings. Need to address that. So, un momento por favor. There in that corner is very sticky. I don't know what it is. Some sort of protective glue. I'm gonna clean it out with some diesel fuel. Got some laying around with my brush. Brush it all down, take it all off, and then see for the next step. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Un momento, por favor. Now guys, and so I was looking. I got all the four corners, of course. The rocker panel need to be addressed this year. It's gonna be addressed this year. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna do two. I saw it here also. Can you see that? Yeah, that. Oh, here, troepjes. Need to clean it out with the air gun. It's all collecting shit here. Okay, un momento. Hey guys, take a look at my coach line. Oh, magnificent.
Like skeletons.
Always use glove, guys. Now I have to get the pleister. And what's Ian? Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna cut it out. Need a band-aid and some coffee.
Regardless of the
Oh, un momento, por favor. See you in the next one.
Start with a clean slate, and that